Hey YouTube, so I just got this Instant Pot Ultra and thought I'd make a video on how to install this condensation collector. In step 1 of the instructions manual under getting started, it tells you to install the condensation collector at the rear of the cooker by aligning the top of the collector with the guides on the cooker and pressing in. So I was quite confused by what it meant. I was fidgeting around and I thought it meant that what you do is you slide one side in and then you kind of push it until it holds like this. So it's kind of anchored in one corner. But that's not actually what the guide meant. It actually meant that, as you can see along the sides here, there's these two grooves on the collector itself. And what you want to do is you want to align the grooves to these rails found on either side of this anchor point. And then what you do is after you align the top of the collector flush, and then you kind of just push in so that it slides in on the rails. And then as you can see, it's perfectly flush, it's level. Well, it's not flush, but the collector is level with the top of with the lip of the pot. Just to show you again, you align the rails with the grooves, and then you kind of just push in. All right, thought I'd share. It was confusing to me. Hopefully this helps clarify for you as well.